We are at 7515 Northeast 175th Street, pulling back after clearing. We were able to cable from an interior cleanout located in supply room. Camera only let me go out about 95 feet. There is a little bit of a glare, so excuse that, but blockage was due to a soft blockage that was about 30-ish feet out. Was going to see if there was any debris left in line, possibly recommend jetting, but line seems to be intact, not much debris. Blockage, I'm thinking, just got caught at a turn, which I will show here in a second. We're in SDR 35 now, and I believe blockage just got caught right here at small transition as it went down. So maybe only at about 20 feet actually. All new plastic piping for most of the line. And then we come into the interior cleanout located in supply room.